Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to get this cute date night makeup look. It's very dramatic, very like browns, in the cool tone browns, warm tone, not cool tone, warm tone browns. It's very pretty, and I am using the Dream Lashes, I'm using Dream Lashes today because I haven't showed you guys and I haven't talked about it with you guys. So I'll be letting you guys know what Dream Lashes is. It is my own lash brand, and I will link down the website down below so you guys can go purchase your lashes. So these are Fancy Babe that I do have on my eyes, and I'm using Life's a Drag, just so many kind of drugstore I have in here, so you guys are going to be able to recreate this. So if you guys are ready or not, then let's go ahead and get this video started. So I'm going to want to achieve like a very like that cat eye kind of look, I guess. So I'm going to go in with the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. This is my favorite palette. But I'm going to take Sickening, which is like a nude transition shade. And I'm just going to be putting that on my crease. This looks more for like nighttime appropriate, like a night look, night date look, or I don't know, something for the nighttime. Obviously, you're not gonna, I mean, if you want to, you can wear this like in the daytime, but most people want to wear this on a nighttime. So I'm quickly gonna go use the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna be taking this shade, and I'm gonna put it right in the crease. And I'm using a Morphe M14 brush. This is my favorite brush. It like is perfect for right in the crease. Not even above it, but like literally right in the crease. It just like sits there. Perfect. Okay, so then I'm going to go into this brown shade right here. I'm taking a BH brush, and it says number 8. I don't know, it's my sister's. But I'm just patting it right here. I'm not blending it out. I'm just like literally stamping it there. And there's going to be a lot of fallout because like I'm really like trying for the color to be there. So... And then I take the first brush I used, which I didn't tell you guys what I used, but the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to blend it out. So I'm going to be cutting my crease with the Wet n Wild concealer. I would use the e.l.f., but I noticed yesterday when I was trying to do a look, it was kind of like a dramatic look, it kind of like looked nasty. So I'll be using this one. Right here, it is like a good concealer. I wish there was a lighter one for this, but I mean, okay. So since it's like Valentine's Day today, I'm gonna be going in with this dark pink right here. It's kind of like, I don't know, but it's pink. It's a really darker pink than these two pinks here. And I'm gonna put this right on the outer. And this is all just in the outer end of this. And then like right here, I'm gonna put a lighter pink, which I'm gonna get, I think I'm gonna use this one. And then just set in this rest. Blend it right here in between the two, so you can see. So basically with the eyeliner, I'm going to be taking it up very high, and be going something like that. And then I'm going to be taking this brush and then just with a dark brown, I'm just going to be putting it there. I'm going to put some mascara on. So then I'm going to be using Dream Lashes in Fancy Babe. These are the way they look. They're very, very pretty. Super, you know, wearable for this look. So if you guys don't know, Dream Lashes is my own brand. I created Dream Lashes and we have 4 different styles. I never announced it on YouTube, but now I'm telling you guys, I guess. I'll link the website down below, our Instagram and our Facebook page and our Twitter, and you guys can follow us and see the different styles and see it on different eyes. And yeah, so I'm gonna put these on and I'll be back. So this is the way the lashes look. They are so pretty and so appropriate for this look. And yeah, let's get started with the face. Oh my god. So I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 220. Guys, this is my favorite foundation, like, ever. Oh, I was gonna put it on there, but I have literally everything on my hand right now. But I'm taking the e.l.f. brush. This is my favorite foundation brush. And I'm just buffing this all over my face. And look at that. It's super full coverage, guys. Like, I prefer this foundation over any higher end. And trust me, like, I love full coverage and I need full coverage. And like, it like covers everything. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild concealer in light ivory, and I just put this all over. Guys, this is a super good concealer. As obviously you guys can tell, I don't spend a lot of money on my makeup. The cheaper the better for me, to be honest with you guys. Like, I mean, if money's worth spending a lot of money on something, then I definitely would. Like, I feel like the Marc Jacobs foundation is definitely something I would definitely spend my money on again. I just haven't had the time to want to buy that, you know, like, I've been trying new drugstore products a lot. So that is the concealer. I like to put a lot, I don't know why. So then I'm going to be going with my Morphe sponge. It's like really dirty, but this concealer is full coverage. I mean, it's not there. I know some concealers that can go a little more coverage, but this one is good. If you want to add another layer, you can, but it has the right amount for me here. Okay, I have some in the back of my hand, but this is the concealer. So I'm just gonna, like, right here. Just to brighten it up for you. That looks pretty. So I'm going in with the Airspun translucent powder, and I'm just setting my under eye before anything creases. Done with the under eyes, I just have to put bottom mascara, but I'm going to sweep off the excess powder off my face. So then I'm going to bronze my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's like broken, so I'm going to have to. And I'm using the Eco Tools Full Blush, I guess. And I'm just bronzing the face. Now this bronzer is like super cool, super neutral. This is more for like lighter skin tones because I know I can use a darker bronzer than this, but I'm fine with this. So then I'm going to go into this. This is from Ulta. It's an ombre cheek palette. I don't know, my best friend left this here. And I'm going to be taking this contour brush by Real Techniques and take this. So this thing is super pigmented, but I'm just putting it right on the cheeks. Whew. Let me just take a brush. Okay, so I'm gonna do a bright highlight only for the Instagram, of course. So if your boo's gonna take a picture of you, and in your head it's gonna be bright as heck. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild makeup stick, and it's the highlighter. And I just take some in the back of my hand. So I'm putting on the high points of my cheek bones. Okay. And then I'm going to be taking the Makeupbyapril, facial spray. And right before it dries, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in Molten Gold. I'm then going to be taking some mascara, and then I'm going to be putting some mascara on the bottom lashes. So for my lip color, I'm going to be using this brown lip liner. I don't know, you can use any brown lip liner. I don't know what brand this is. I just found it. And I prefer this over a pencil, because a pencil is more harder. This one just glides on. So then I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Naked 2. And it's just a nude lipstick, so I'm going to be taking a brush because like, it's obviously like done. Okay guys, so this is the finished look right here. It is so pretty, so perfect, so different. I love this. This is something I personally would wear out on a date, but I'm not going on a date, right? So this is very pretty. So if you guys recreate this look, go ahead and let me know down below by tagging me in your pictures. And yes guys, these are dream lashes that I do have on. Like I said, the Instagram, the Facebook, and the Twitter account, and the website will be linked down below, so you guys can go ahead and follow us and purchase some lashes if you want to. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.